Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper sailboat. You may want to also look at the visual instructions, which you should be able to download from a link just above this video. So you're going to need some paper, straws, tape, and scissors. The first thing we're going to do is take one piece of paper, and we want to actually get a square from this paper. So to help you do that, you take one corner of the sheet and fold it over to the other side of the paper. That will help you make a square. So when I unfold this, I'll have a square. So I'm going to cut along this line, and I'm going to keep this part of the paper because we're going to need to use that later. So now we have our square. We're going to fold it in half and then in half again. So once like this. So I folded it in half. I'm going to open it up again, and this time we're going to fold it that way. Okay, so now you should have a cross of creases in the middle of your paper. So the next thing you need to do is fold in these outer edges into the middle line. So we're going to turn the square into a rectangle. So that's one edge. And another edge. The next thing you need to do is fold in each corner of the rectangle so that it meets the middle line. So I folded one in like this. You can see it's made a triangle shape, and we're going to do that with all the other corners. There we go. So you can see we've made a hexagon now. So we're now going to fold in this point to meet the middle line, and that's going to turn the paper into a diamond shape. So I've done it on one side, and I'm going to do it with the other corners too. Okay, now you've got your diamond shape. You want to fold in these 2 points so that they meet the middle line. So that's one. And the other. So now our boat is all folded in. We're going to actually turn it inside out, and that's going to make the body of our boat. You have to be quite gentle when you do this. Careful not to rip the paper. They need some help. Once it's inside out, we've got the body of our boat. So the next thing you want to do is take one of the straws, and we're going to tape it into the middle of the body of the boat to make a mast. Okay, once your mast is secure, you take that spare piece of paper from the beginning and you're going to use that as a sail. So you'll then tape that to your mast to make a sail. And you might want to keep it as a rectangle. You might want to experiment with cutting it into a triangle like the one I made earlier. And then you can get sailing.